In this video, I'm going to show you how a user can manage their phone book contacts in the Universe communication system. In your phone book, there are your colleagues that are part of your Universe system, company contacts that have been added by your administrator, and your own contacts that you add as a user of Universe. And these contacts will be available on all devices, including mobiles, tablets, soft phones and fixed phones. This video is to show users how to manage their phone book contacts. Log into your online portal at selfcare.thisisuniverse.io and select the phone book option at the top of the page. To add a new contact, press the Create Contact button. You'll then get a pop-up with some fields to be completed. It's a good idea to add the country code for each entry. For UK entries, this is +44 before each number. Do not put spaces between the digits. Press Create Contact when you've completed the fields. This entry will be added to your view of the phone book only and not to that of other users of the system. To delete a contact, simply press the red Delete Contact button on the right-hand side. To edit a contact, click on the name of the contact, make your changes, and then press Update Contact. You can also upload multiple contacts to your phone book in the format of an Excel spreadsheet. You do this by clicking on Upload Contacts on the top line. If you select Download Sample File, you can download a sample spreadsheet which will ensure that you will enter the information in the right format. Open and complete the spreadsheet and save it in any convenient location. Then go back to the phone book section in the Selfcare portal. Select Upload Contacts, then the Choose File Excel button. Find your spreadsheet. I've got mine here in my Downloads folder. Select the file and press Next. The contacts have now been imported into my phone book. For more how-to videos, user guides and other useful information, please visit the resources page on our website. Thank you for watching.